I'm Melinda Mabin. Welcome to Mabin's Lifestyle and Apparel. We have been here for over 45 years, and we offer men's, ladies' clothing, fine jewelry, and a hodgepodge of other items. It's very important that you shop small and you shop local because you continually put money back into our town. A lot of the people that shop in Pittsburg on Saturdays are not even from Pittsburg.
Hi, I'm Stormy Brummel and I work here at Pittsburg Hot Link Restaurant. We are a huge pillar in this community. We serve, well, our hot links, which are a beef meat-based sausage with a pork lining. We serve it with a homemade hot sauce that we make here. You won't find that hot sauce anywhere else. Here at the Hot Link Restaurant, our community is a really big part of what makes us who we are. We've been a part of the community for well over 40, 50, 60 years. We have people from all over this United States come here to get these hot links. We mail these suckers out everywhere. We sell to Alaska, California, Washington. There's a state that somebody knows about hot links, we ship it to them. We have parking on the side, we offer curbside in the front, and we'd really like it if y'all could come and join us on Shop Small Saturday. We'd love to feed you.
Well, we welcome you on Shop Small Saturday. We will be here and we'll be ready for you and offer you anything that you might need. So come on down to small town Pittsburg.